Here we are, we're detecting the same field that we had the dirt digging PA hunt this year. We know there's some stuff that we left behind. If only we could find it. It's got to be in here someplace. If we only had a professional here to help us. The professionals are finally here. It's the professional metal detectorists arriving at the scene, ready to dig. Hi, Bryce. Hi, Lily. You guys.
Are we camping here?
Okay, here, practice on this. Okay. Here, let's go this way. Come on. Over here. Keep it right down the ground. Oh, no. Here. No. Do that off. Up. No. You don't have to touch that one. We'll leave that up. You don't have to touch any of them. Just hold your hand on it. Whoop, get back over here where he was.
That's the wrong one, isn't it?
No.
Oh, there's something. See if you hit something. Put your detector down.
Yep,
There you go.
down.
No, I can't dig it. Daddy, dig this.
Get down on your knees.
Here, get down like this. Here. Put it down in there like that. There you go. Now lift that dirt right up on it.
What is this?
I don't know.
Treasure box.
Wow.
A treasure box.
Here.
Found a real treasure box. Found a real.
Yay!
That was pretty quick.
I found a treasure box.
You found a treasure box.
Let's see what in it.
Here. You need.
I got it.
You got it?
Want me to get it for you? Yeah.
Want to get it?
What in there?
I don't know.
You did that.
No.
Who did it?
We just got here right before you did.
Oh, wow. Candy. Cool.
What else is in there?
There's a whole bunch of stuff in there.
Wow, that's awesome. Don't drop them coins. That's right.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh.
He's falling out.
There's some old stuff in there too. Some really old, valuable stuff.
He's falling out.
I think that. Hey, Bryce. Remember that man at the cabin kitchen that spoke about Treasure Illustrated, and some of that stuff is from his stock of things.
Can you let me use it?
Uh-huh.
How does that?
So if you look at the bottom, there's some old coins and
I
stuff.
know.
Noah
Did you look at that?
doesn't want to lose them.
No.
Somebody, I'll be back with my.
Very careful with coins.
I can't get this.
Good job, Bryce. Now it's Lily's turn.
Got it.
We'll take care of picking up one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's watch the movie.
I got treasure. I got treasure. I got treasure.
I think he's gonna go to sleep singing that.
I got candy. I got candy.
Yeah, What else?
Lollipop. I got candy. I got candy. Hey, found it. Candy.
Look at your hair sticking up.
Sorry, Mom. I messed it up.
It's okay.
Mama, I noticed.
No. One of
I
those
noticed. Miranda had one of those things.
That was like you did.
Right there.
Get it? Okay.
The one with the hat? Yeah.
Yep.
Tim
That
Bell's
ground
this
is really
one.
hard.
And then not crab and mine. I wish.
I think you are, bud.
Where do you go?
Get it, Lily?
I think I can.
Now lift up on it. Or push right down toward the ground. There you go.
Whoops.
Got coins in there, right? Oh. Thank you. Chocolate chip cookies.
Here, let's fix that hole.
Okay, something.
Okay, go ahead. Here, look at it.
Oh, I'm a good cuddle.
Nice over here.
What? I want to watch one.
Oh, just around the top.
Oh,
There you go.
wow. Oh, I have those too. See, I'm gonna look through it. Hey, I want those.
No,
Tell me
no,
how you
no,
get
no, no,
cookies. Money? Wow. I love these, you know that. You want to trade something? No. Wow. I got another